Hi, from the top of the Skygarden, over there is where we're about to go. It's garden at 120. Let's go. Here we are outside the entrance to the garden at 120. Just going to show you the area where you enter the lift, go up to the 15th floor. This is a great alternative to the Skygarden. You don't have to pre-book a ticket or anything. You can just show up on the day, join the very, very short queue, which is right in front of us there. To our right over here are the lifts. Look, there's only 4 people queuing up there to go up to the garden at 120, and a very, very short queue. Now we do come out of the lift here after a very short security check, sort of like an airport security check with an X-ray machine. You have to put all your belongings in a plastic tray. But once you're up here, as you can see, you're going to get some great views of London. To our left is the walkie-talkie tower, which is the Skygarden right at the top. That's where we had that view at the beginning of this video. I've done a video on that as well, so please go check that out. But we're going to make our way around the garden at 120. So we're in springtime at the moment, so not a lot of flowers are blooming or anything like that, but it's still a very nice area to come and chill out. Got some great views, as you can see. We're going to make our way around the whole perimeter. There's like a nice area there, which is like it looks a bit like a maze, a bush maze, but it's not. A lot of people taking pictures, selfies, that sort of stuff. Let's have a look over here and see what we can see. There we go, there's more people just chilling out, having a great time. It's very, very quiet up here compared to the Skygarden. It was very busy when we were up the Skygarden, and it really did interfere with our enjoyment. But here it's very, very chilled atmosphere. We will be heading a little bit later in the video down to the hills at the 14th floor, which is a bar restaurant area, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is a great area to just come up and chill. If you work in London, again, come up here during your lunch, eat your sandwiches. But if you're a tourist, this is a must really, if you can't get into the Skygarden. This is how high it looks from the top of the garden at 120. It's not too high. And over there is a lot of construction work around a sort of medieval looking tower there. Here we have the Gherkin, is what we call it in London, the Gherkin building. This cylindrical shape. But, yeah, this is really, really nice place to just come and chill out. Little water feature there, with a shard in the background. And now we're going to take those stairs down to the next floor, level 14. There's a deli and some toilets off to the left. But we're going to head over to 14 Hills, which is a bar and restaurant. And we're going to get a well-deserved drink. So we're going through the restaurant here, being shown to our table. Beautiful looking restaurant, I'm sure you'll agree. And I think our table's right next to a window, which is great. We can still get some good views. Let's take a little bit of a walk around the restaurant and bar area. It's a beautiful restaurant. I think in the evening they have some sort of live music or some DJs playing some tracks, so maybe it'd be a great time to come and visit this during the evening. Yeah, really beautiful looking restaurant. Prices are quite reasonable as well for where you are. Centre of London on top of a building. You'd expect it to be quite expensive, but it's actually quite reasonable. Straight ahead of the toilets. And that's a bit of a tour around Hills 14. Lovely looking bar there. But I've got a well-deserved beer waiting for me on the table. There it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for more content. Hit the like button, leave any comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.